Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I will show you about the service builder in Angular, which is known as PWA. So basically what it does when you are offline, that still your web page will load and the content will be shown. So how to do that in Angular I will show today. So let's get started. First thing first, create a new project. So I will go to my folder and I will create a new Angular project with name as PWA. So as for routing, I will say no, because it is only the demonstration purpose of the PWA. I am not building the whole application, so I'm just showing the demonstration. So I will pause my video and come back when it's all the packages and everything will set up. So here my application has built successfully, so I will now open it. Go to cd PWA, my project folder, and now over here I will type code dot. I will open this project in the Visual Studio Code, and here it is. So first thing, I have to install the PWA. You have to install a package known as it is known as ng add angular. So don't write it like this, just you have to add at rate and slash PWA and hit enter. Or if there are multiple projects, so you can add a hyphen project and project name, so that it will install in the particular project directory. So I have the one, it will prompt for the installation, so I will type yes, and all things will be done by the Angular CLI. So here it is, updating the Angular JSON packages and everything, it will update. So here it is. So for testing this, don't run as a ng serve. It will not run, because it will what we can say, it will run when it is hosted on the prod or a server. So for that we have to make the build. So I will create a build, ng build. So I will here ng build. If you want, if you are building for the prod, just mention the hyphen prod, so it will remove all the unwanted necessary dependencies. So here I am building, so the build has started. So I will pause my video till the build is completed. So as you can see here, my build has completed. So there is my distinct folder in the project, so I will navigate to that distinct folder. Wait, what is opening? Okay, cd distinct folder, cd my folder name, and here I will run http server, and it will listen into this port. So I will just click and I will navigate to that http port. So I click control and click, so it will open http listening for me. So I will just copy this. I don't know why it is not clicking and going to the server opening, so I will do it manually. I will here paste, and you can see here my application is loaded. See, now I am going offline by inspecting the particular page. Networks throttling, I will say offline, and I will refresh, then also this application is work. And when I am online also, then also it will work. So this was a simple demonstration of this application. I hope you understand. If you have any problem or any queries, do comment, I will answer it. And so this is it for this tutorial. Thank you.